Hello, I'm Peter Greenslade, the Corporate Head of Operational Support and Improvement, and I have responsibility for the strategic aim, our environment. This aim looks to improve our working practices and activities with consideration to our short and long-term environmental impact. We are committed to reducing our impact on the environment and improving our environmental performance. During 2020-2021, we will focus on the following areas: reducing the purchase and consumption of single-use plastic within our service and reducing the service's energy consumption and move to a more sustainable energy strategy. We hope that by choosing these two improvement and well-being objectives, they will help us meet our aim of being an environmentally sensitive and sustainable fire and rescue service, where these considerations are embedded into our decision-making processes. We would like to hear your valued feedback on our draft strategic aims and improvement and wellbeing objectives. For further information, please visit our website www.mawwfire.gov.uk.